Hair clippers for men are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the hair clippers for men from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 1. Wahl Cordless Magic Clip. Wahl's Magic Clip uses our patented stagger tooth blade and is designed for creating seamless blends and textures when hard or soft line fading and bulk hair removal with the freedom of a cordless clipper. The world's best-selling professional clipper. The Magic Clip wireless clipper makes a crisp crunch sound, allowing the barber or stylist to know hair is being cut, resulting in a polished, finished look. Comes with a durable housing that is lightweight and ideal for all-day professional use. The American-made cordless Magic Clip comes with 8 attachment comb cutting guides, 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, a half, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and 1 recharging transformer, cleaning brush, clipper blade oil, and operating instructions. It measures just 6.25 long and weighs only 10 ounces, featuring a stagger tooth top. Number 2161. Blade and an adjustable taper lever. Power frequency 120 volt 60 Hz. Made in USA. Please note, due to continuous improvement, the product appearance may slightly vary from the product images on this listing. Number 2. Wahl Color Pro Cordless Rechargeable Hair Clipper and Trimmer. Cordless Convenience. Color Pro Cordless is rechargeable and wireless. Cordless allows you to use the clipper on battery or when it's charging. Color-coded guide combs. Finding and remembering everyone's favorite hair length is easier than ever. Corresponding the correct comb to the right cutting length is simple with our easy-to-see attachment guards. Hygienic grooming. Since our blades are removable and rinseable, they are easy to clean. Simply run them under water to wash away excess clippings and trimmings. Smooth, easy haircuts with a variety of cutting lengths. Adjusting the trim length is pain-free. Quickly reference the color key on the face of the clipper and attach the corresponding colored clipper comb attachment. Grooming on the go with 60 minutes of run time. Our cordless Color Pro is great for travel, vacation, business trips, and more. Worldwide voltage means you can use no matter what country you're in. 220 V or dual voltage. Perfect gift. Wahl clippers, trimmers, massagers, and shavers make great Christmas gifts for women and men. Give the gift of Wahl this holiday season. Number 3. Philips Norelco Multigroomer All-in-One Trimmer. 13 attachments for all of yours grooming needs. Full-size steel trimmer, a steel precision trimmer, a nose and ear hair trimmer, 3 hair trimming guards, 3 beard trimming guards, a stubble guard, an accessory travel storage bag, and a cleaning brush. Unlike competition, no oil needed to maintain high-quality performance. Blades and guards are easy to detach and rinse. Maximum precision with dual-cut technology, which includes 2x more self-sharpening blades. The steel blades sharpen themselves as they work, resulting in blades that remain as sharp as day one after 2 years of use. Unlike competition, no oil needed to maintain high-quality performance. Automatic voltage, 100 to 240 volts. Blades and guards are easy to detach and rinse per hair type. All hair types. The blade is made out of metal. The MG3750 is the model number indicated on the packaging. It is part of the Multigroom 3000 series. Number 4. Circa Professional Men's Hair Clipper. Electric professional hair clipper designed for smooth, quick, and precise clipping performance on all types of hair. With long-lasting high-carbon enhanced self-sharpening precision stainless steel blades. Blade can be washed by water, easy to clean. Wireless with high-capacity battery built-in rechargeable premium and safer battery cell. Offers up to 300 minutes of running time, with charging 3 hours. LED light indicates battery level. Length adjustment lever. The thumb taper lever on the left side enables easy haircut length adjusting from 0.8 mm to 2.0 mm. 8 colorful guide combs and adjustable cutting length. The adjustable taper lever of clipper allows customization of cutting lengths from 0.8 mm to 2 mm. Equipped with new style 8-color coded guide COMBS 1.5 mm, 3 mm, 4.5 mm, 6 mm, 10 mm, 13 mm, 16 mm, 19 mm, making your haircut easy and funny. LED display and ergonomic design. The LED display of this clipper clearly shows remaining percentage of battery. This professional hair clipper for men is very comfortable to hold, easy to use and clean even for first-time users. Number 5. Wahl Professional Peanut Cordless Clipper Trimmer. Wahl's professional cordless peanut hair and beard clipper trimmer is designed to deliver the power of a full-size clipper in the convenience of a smaller size. The wireless clipper trimmer has a compact size and sleek design, offering an appealing aesthetic in addition to top-notch precision, function, and versatility. This ideal haircutting tool is ideal for beard trimming. This American-made, cordless clipper trimmer comes with all accessories required for use by all barbers and stylists. The clipper trimmer, 4 attachment comb cutting guides, 1/8. 1/4 3/8 a half cleaning brush, clipper blade oil, and operating instructions. The wireless hair clipper trimmer measures only 4 long and weighs just 4 ounces. Features are number 2068 to 1001 snap-on blade with a 7-foot professional grade, chemical-resistant power cord. Power frequency 120 volts 60 Hz. Made in USA. Please note, due to continuous improvement, the product appearance may slightly vary from the product images on this listing. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.